girl Shalae, and I'm back today with another day in the life video. Guys, I am about to crap bricks. I have an eventful Saturday, and I was like, you know what? Who better to bring along but my YouTube family? Because I know y'all always got your girl covered, and I am super scared right now. So if you want to know what's going on in your girl's personal life, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning to my channel, darling, where have you been? Okay, I post every single day, and on Monday you get 2 videos. Dos videos on Monday. So, you know, like, what is going on? But nonetheless, hey friend, my name is Shalae, and here on this channel we talk about shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click that big old red subscribe button down below, and you're in just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like because you love me, right? Duh. Yeah. And guys, let's go ahead and get on it with the top 3. We are going to rappel. I have a surprise. So that is number 2. I have a surprise for you guys. And then number 3, we're going to grab some grub. I don't know what I'm going to eat, but it's going to be something because I told you I love to eat. So if you want to peek inside of my personal life, you already know what to do. Let's go get them. All right, guys, I am super duper nervous, but hey, it is what it is. Now we have to pull our hair back, and this is what I have on. But yeah, these are my compadres that are gonna go down with me. So, what do you have? Come, let's see here. Let me show you. Look, we have Kermit the Frog. How cute!
You got your shoes.
Oh, hold on. Let's see your shoes. Oh, wow. Okay.
So are you saying you're taking Jenna and
So,
Dustin's place?
Welcome to my office warehouse space. I'll insert some pictures for inspiration on how I plan on utilizing this space because you can see it is huge, but I definitely plan on using it for inventory for my Poshmark and merchandise. So stay tuned. It is definitely coming back, and I'm going to document how I make this a workable space in upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and go on the inside. So I am a little bit undecided what I want to do with this space. I don't know if I want to make it a seating area or a receptionist area, but I think I'll probably film my YouTube videos in this little space. And then as you move to the back, this would be my office.
My office is definitely a decent size, but I love all the natural light that comes in here. And guys, this place was a steal. I cannot wait to share all the details. So definitely stay tuned for it.
I can't believe I have my own office space with warehouse. I cannot believe it. And guys, when I tell you, I am so excited. Like, I just can't even believe it. Like, I don't even know what to say. But it wouldn't be me if I didn't leave or impart some words of wisdom. And one thing I'm going to say is that this was not an overnight success. Like, this is 5 years in the making. For 5 years, I always wanted to have my own office space. I wanted to have a place where I can just come do videos and that I can sell my Poshmark clothes and just do me. Okay, can we say that? Just do me. And I know in 2020, y'all have been seeing me win after win after win after win. But what you don't see is the hard work that I put in. What you don't see is those days that I cried. What you don't see is those days that I didn't think it was going to work out, that I wanted to quit. And so this goes for anyone that right now it doesn't look like you'll be here. I promise you, if you put in the work, it's gonna all come to you. Like, slow and steady. Start from everything. And I've always said that I was gonna build my own thrifty empire. And that's what I've been doing, guys. Like, I don't have that money like that, okay? Your girl don't have this money like that. But what I do have is I have faith. And I do believe that, that when you put it out there in the atmosphere and you work for it, it's gonna come to you. Each and every single time is going to come to you. And so all I'm going to tell you is, like, grind, get to work, whatever you want, you can have. And I mean, I'm a living testament of that. Like, I was not born with no silver spoon. I did not have anything that you try to name, hunty. I got a period. Like, I could come back and just show you, but it is what it is. Like, look at God. Look at God. And now this is my own space. So let me know, what do you think about the surprise? This is my space. I'm super duper excited. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about hanging out with me this Saturday. Did you enjoy it or nah? And I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye, guys.